We've got some beautiful summer cottons here I want to show you today. We're getting into the summer months, heat is going up, and the best thing we can wear is a little cotton poly blend. These are mostly cotton, but they're just really pretty. This is a woven. It's a really pretty sherbet green. It's got a black dot and a white dot, just really pretty, and it's just a perfect blend to this. This is a Pontoroma. It's a 100% cotton. No, it's a cotton poly, sorry, but it's just got a little bit of poly in it. It has stretch in both directions, just a great hand, and just really, really pretty. You notice this pink is 100% cotton. It's reversible, and everybody should have some of this fabric. I've made several tops, and it's just fun, and it's just cool and light. You notice it goes with this green, and it goes with a little bit more of this blue, so it really works both ways. I put both colors with it. So this is 100% cotton. This is a woven. Makes a great blouse, great shirt, great little summer dress. It just really works well. All of these fabrics today are $12.99. They'll go up. $12.99 for these fabrics is just a really good price, especially these Pontoromas. They've just gotten really expensive. This is 100% cotton. It's a beautiful fabric, stretch in one direction. Really pretty. Pretty color, pretty drape, just a really, it's like a polished cotton, but it's 100%. And then we have a really pretty, this Pontoroma in pink, stretch in both directions. This is 100% cotton. Great drape also. Very similar fabrics. But this one's just got a little bit of poly. This is 100% cotton. And then this is a cotton poly, but I put this in because it's just pretty. It's just really pretty for summer months. It's got a, blue and white, lovely, great drape, great hand. It's mostly cotton. It's got a little bit of poly, but mostly, again, all $12.99 today. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.